Hey guys, how you doing? This is Larry over at Emacs Solutions, and I want to talk to you today about encryption briefly. Listen, I've seen two realities when I deal with encrypted backup media. Number one, it's truly not encrypted. Someone said it was encrypted, they told you it was encrypted, they stood by, looked at you in your eyes and said, listen, the data is encrypted. Then you get a guy like myself who come only to find out that it was not encrypted. I have came across this, I can't even count how many times. Like, that's how many times I've came across this. And someone is standing by adamantly saying, no, it's encrypted. Thus, exposing you guys to liability. So, number one, the data truly is not encrypted. Number two, it is encrypted, but no one knows how to unencrypt it. I have seen that before, where number one, it's not encrypted. Number two, that someone encrypted it, either someone left or he or she encrypted it and they really don't know how to get the data off of it. Because what I have grown to see is that most people who back up data never intend on having to reach it again. Like, it's just something they do, and they get into this mode of just pushing buttons and data is being landed, data is being backed up, with never having to think about getting to it again. So today I want to offer you services over at Emacs Solutions. Listen, let us test your backup media to find out if it's truly encrypted. We test it, we pop it in, guess what? Find out it's encrypted, box it back up, hey, you're good to go. Number two, we can also try to do restores of your encrypted media. That's something that we can set up for you, that we can test and see if we can recover it. If we can recover it, you guys should be able to recover it, okay? So number one, find out if your data is truly encrypted. If it's not, then you are exposed to liability, you're exposed to criminal activity, you're exposed to potential data loss. Number two, find out if you ever can reach your data again. All right. Hey man, this is Larry. I thank you guys for watching. Be on the lookout for our other videos. You can reach out to us at www.emacssolutions.com. Hey, or you can call us directly, 404-995-6060. Thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you next time.